Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Jonas Tech Vlog. So this is the box content of the Rode video mic. Let's see. Just as you open, you can see the mic with the dead cat. Looks impressive. This is the holder where we have to place it like this. And the connector. So this silicone to protect it from insects, and the manual. That's it, nothing inside. You can register it because it comes up with a 1-year warranty. So this which you were listening was without the mic. This was with the default mic. So let me install the mic and get back to you. This is how the new setup looks. So guys, this is the Rode video mic test on my Sony Alpha 6600. Hope it's clear. And this is handheld, and I bought this for vlogging, and I guess this is ideal. The only thing what embarrasses me is the mic on the top. It's a bit tilting. It's lean towards the lens, like it's resting on the lens. So that's the one annoying thing I found on this mic. And the another con, I guess it is when I'm shooting from back, I guess the voice clarity is a bit less when I'm shooting from the back of the microphone. So this is a budget microphone with a good sound clarity from Rode. There was also the option of Joby microphone, but I have opted for Rode. Why? Because it's the most trusted one. So it's pretty hot outside, and I'm just feet away from the microphone, and you can hear my voice. And as I lean backwards, I guess there is a voice drop, but still I guess you can hear it. I guess this is the first time I'm revealing my face over here. Why? Because I didn't had a proper setup. Now I have a mid-range mirrorless camera with a Gorilla Pod and attached with my new Rode video mic. Hope you guys like this video and find it informative. I mean, I've been making videos since the past couple of months, and my subscriber count is very less. So please motivate me, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification to get regular updates on my upcoming videos. That's all for now guys. See you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye.